this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off Safesearch on your Android phone. So if we're doing this through the Google search bar right here, we can just tap it and then go to the top right, go to the G, go to your profile on the top right now, and then we have Safesearch. Now we can just turn this on or off depending on if we want the filter, blur, or something else. So maybe just a blur would be fine. So we can turn it off and then start searching. Now if you want to delete what you searched for or something like that, we can go back up here. We can go to search personalization and we can just turn this off so we don't see recommendations of what we searched for. And then we go back and go to search history, and we can decide if we want to delete today, custom range, or all time. So I can just go to all time here and just delete everything. Now you might need to do this in the Google Chrome too, so go to Google Chrome, go to the top right, go to the three dots, go to delete browsing data, and you can see the time, last 7 days maybe. And then you should be able to go to more options and you can decide browsing history. Alright, and then go to delete. So you can delete your search history and then also your browsing history, so two different spots. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.